So very good morning children. Welcome to online classes of Lyall Public School. I am Pooja Sharma, your science teacher. And how are you all? I hope you all take care of yourself at your home. Okay. So children, today I am going to start our science first chapter, which is growing plants. Okay. Chapter name is growing plants. So what we will discuss in this chapter, I will show you, okay? So firstly, in this chapter, we will discuss about structure of seed, and we will also discuss about what is dicot seeds and monocot seed. Next, we will discuss about germination of seeds, how a seed grow into a plant, okay? Next one is dispersal of seed. In this chapter, we will also discuss about dispersal of seeds by various methods. And next in this chapter, we will discuss about growing plants. We all know plants grow through seeds, and we will also discuss that plants grow from stems and from leaves. And in the last, we will also discuss about agriculture, different stages of agriculture. Clear? So we will discuss about growing plants. So let's start. Plants are living things. They play a very important role in our lives. They give us loads of things like food, sugar, oil, wood, fiber, rubber, gum, tea, coffee, and spices. And they also give us oxygen for breathing. Okay, so here plants are living things and they play a very important role in our lives. जो plants हैं उनका हमारी life में बहुत ही important roles है. वो हमें different kinds के products available करवाते हैं, like food है, sugar, oil. These different kinds of things are provided by plants. Okay, and plants उसके अलावा हमें breathing के लिए क्या provide करवाते हैं? Oxygen भी provide करवाते हैं. Okay, so here is an activity. Look at the picture below and unscramble names of things we get from plants. One has been done for you. So here are name of some things that we get from plants. Okay, then ये unscramble word है, इन्हें हमें proper order में लिखना है. First one is paper. Okay, so number 1 पर देखिए, यहाँ पर एक आपको unscramble word दिया गया है जिसे हमने यहाँ पर properly order में लिखा है, that is paper. Okay, now second one is fruits. Okay, second things is fruits, so you can write here fruits. Third one is cloth, and fourth one is flowers that we get from plants, and fifth one is wood, and sixth one is food. Okay, so all the items we get from plants. Now my first question is here, why we need plants? हमें plants की requirement क्यों है? Okay, why we need to grow plants? हम plants को grow क्यों करते हैं? Okay, so we need plants to meet our basic needs. Okay, हमारी life में हमें जो भी basic needs हैं like wood, oil, food, fruits, flowers. Okay, तो जो भी हमारी requirements हैं, हमारी needs हैं, उन्हें complete करने के लिए we need to grow plants. हम plants को grow करते हैं. Okay, let us read how we grow plants. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss how we grow plants. Now you all know that we can grow plants through seeds, stem, roots and leaves. Okay, you all know that we grow plants from different parts of plants. So first one is growing plants from seed. First we will discuss in this chapter how plants grow from seeds. So seeds are present inside fruits, new plants grow from seeds. जो सीड्स हैं वो फ्रूट्स में अवेलेबल होते हैं, फ्रूट्स में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, एंड जो न्यू प्लांट्स हैं वो हम सीड की हेल्प से ग्रो करवा सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टडी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ किडनी बीन सीड. किडनी बीन सीड मीन्स राजमा. ओके, जिसे आप राजमा कहते हैं हिंदी में, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, किडनी बीन सीड. ओके, तो हम एक सीड का यहाँ पर किडनी बीन जो सीड है उसका स्ट्रक्चर को डिस्कस करेंगे. So first one is seed coat, an outer covering protects the baby plant inside. Okay, इस seed के inside में एक baby plant होता है, embryo होता है, जिस पर ये outer covering है जो उस seed को क्या करती है, baby plant को protect करती है. Okay, and इस covering को हम क्या कहते हैं, seed coat. Now second one is seed hole, allows water to enter the seed. जो seed hole है ये water को allow करता है enter करने के लिए. Next one is cotyledons that store food from the baby plants. ये टू आपको पिक्चर्स में दिखाई दे रहे हैं. cotyledons ये क्या करते हैं, cotyledons फूड को स्टोर करते हैं जिससे कि जो बेबी प्लांट है या एम्ब्रियो है वो ग्रो करता है. Next one is embryo. Embryo grows into a baby plant. And जो ये embryo है ये ही धीरे धीरे nutrients soil में से water लेकर ये क्या करता है, grow करता है and baby plant में convert हो जाता है. Okay. So here are external structure. It is external structure of kidney bean seed and it is internal structure. Okay. Now some seeds have two cotyledons. They are called dicot seed, and some seeds like maize and wheat have one cotyledon. They are called monocot seeds. Okay, there are two kinds of seed, that is monocot seeds and dicot seed. So here we discuss structures of seed. Seed में हमने two kinds के seed पढ़े हैं. First one is dicot seed and second one is monocot seed. हमने book में हमारे जो pictures है उसमें हमने देखा था two cotyledons. Okay, ये जो इस seed के two parts हैं इन्हें हम cotyledons कहते हैं. And if seed में two cotyledons present हैं, two cots present हैं, then we call it dicot seed. Okay, and अगर उसमें एक ही cotyledons या one cot present है, then we called it monocot seed. Okay. So see in the picture, this is the inner part of seed and इस part को हम क्या कहते हैं, epicotyle, that is next is hypocotyle, radicle, cotyledons. ये two cotyledons हैं dicot seeds में, and this is seed coat और seed covering. Okay, this is bean seed and this is corn seed. Embryo both जो seeds हैं दोनों में embryo present रहता है and embryo ही growth करके baby plant में convert होता है. Okay, उसके अलावा seed coat, seed hole and two cotyledons are present in each seed. So children, here I am going to finish this topic, that is seeds, and you can read this topic again at your home, and if there is any problem you can ask me in our tomorrow class. I hope you all had enjoyed the today's class and had learned so many things. So thank you very much and have a good day.